Ever find yourself wishing you had the upper hand in certain situations? Those moments when you hope for a clever trick or strategy to turn things in your favor? You're not alone. We all encounter times when we desire to influence outcomes, communicate more effectively, or make better decisions. The good news is, there are several strategic techniques that can help with that. This isn't about becoming manipulative. It's about enhancing your ability to handle life's challenges more effectively. By integrating these strategies into your approach, you can gain a genuine advantage in most situations. 1. Perfect your timing. Knowing when to speak, stay silent, or take action is crucial for influencing outcomes. Timing significantly impacts your ability to guide conversations, negotiations, and decisions. Whether it's waiting for the right moment to present an idea or addressing a concern, understanding the flow of a situation can make all the difference. By refining your timing, you can ensure your contributions have the greatest impact and navigate interactions with precision. 2. Use open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are powerful because they elicit detailed responses. Instead of simple yes or no answers, they encourage others to share their thoughts and feelings more comprehensively. Asking these questions demonstrates your interest and helps you gain a deeper understanding of the other person's perspective. This technique is invaluable in sales, negotiations, and any scenario where gathering information and building rapport are essential. 3. Observe more, react less. Often, the power of observation can surpass impulsive reactions. Instead of responding immediately, take time to observe, listen, and understand the dynamics at play. Being a careful observer helps you gauge people's intentions, preferences, and behaviors, allowing you to tailor your approach more effectively. Whether in a business meeting, social gathering, or family discussion, the ability to observe and analyze can help you make informed decisions and guide interactions toward your desired outcome. Think before you speak. Taking a moment to think before responding can make your words more impactful. Hasty replies may lack depth, while well-timed and considered responses carry more weight. By pausing and choosing your words carefully, you can convey your ideas clearly and persuasively. This approach is particularly beneficial in negotiations, debates, and high-stakes discussions, positioning you as a respected and influential communicator. Apply positive reinforcement. Encouraging and complimenting others effectively makes them more receptive to your ideas. Positive reinforcement involves acknowledging and praising the efforts and contributions of others. By creating a supportive and motivating environment, people respond positively to recognition and praise, making them more inclined to collaborate. From managing a team to nurturing personal relationships, positive reinforcement can open others to your guidance and suggestions. Maintain humility. While confidence is essential, remaining humble is equally important. Recognize your strengths and capabilities, but also acknowledge your limitations and areas for improvement. By balancing self-assuredness with humility, you can connect with others on a personal level, making you more relatable and trustworthy. Embrace adaptability. In a constantly changing world, being flexible and open to change sets you apart from those who rigidly adhere to the status quo. Adaptability allows you to navigate evolving situations and challenges gracefully. It's a quality that inspires others to embrace change and innovation. Whether negotiating a complex business deal or making family decisions, your adaptability can encourage others to be more open to new ideas and solutions. Strive for win-win outcomes. Instead of viewing interactions as zero-sum games, look for solutions that benefit all parties involved. This involves identifying shared objectives, compromise, and promoting cooperation. By seeking common ground and mutually beneficial outcomes, you establish a reputation for fairness and collaboration, making others see you as a problem solver and a source of harmony. Practice patience. Rushing into decisions or actions can lead to mistakes and missed opportunities. Sometimes the most effective approach is to exercise patience. By waiting and allowing situations to unfold naturally, you can achieve more favorable outcomes. Patience enables you to maintain composure, assess situations thoroughly, and respond thoughtfully, demonstrating wisdom and self-control. 10. Set clear boundaries. Knowing where to draw the line and ensuring others respect your boundaries is crucial for healthy interactions. Setting clear boundaries establishes expectations and prevents misunderstandings. When others understand and respect your limits, it creates mutual respect and cooperation. Clear boundaries help control interactions and ensure your needs and preferences are honored. 11. Stay proactive. Anticipating and preparing for potential challenges can save you time and effort. Being proactive means you're better equipped to handle unexpected situations and address objections. This level of preparedness demonstrates foresight and planning, compelling others to trust your judgment and rely on your capabilities. From professional issues to personal challenges, staying proactive creates confidence and dependability among those you interact with. 12. Commit to continuous learning. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and contribute meaningfully. Continuous learning expands your understanding and strengthens your credibility. Whether you're well-versed in a subject or constantly seeking new information, your knowledge becomes an asset others respect and turn to for guidance. This expertise helps you stand out professionally and personally, making you a valuable resource. By thoughtfully and ethically using these strategies, you can subtly influence and effectively navigate various situations. Remember, these techniques are about enhancing your ability to connect, lead, and succeed while maintaining integrity and respect for others. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.